Consider the transient nature of existence. This minute passes. The earth continues to rotate around the sun unceasingly. The sun spirals toward a black hole at the center of our galaxy. Everything passes. Everything grows, blossoms, decays, and fades. May I be loved without needing to be special. May I be free of the need for external approval. The material world is temporary in all things. The only thing that is permanent is the soul and the memories you leave with others as they engage with the world soul. All other things are illusions due to the means by which they are perceived in our mind and their transitory nature. Our mind must reclaim its inner power to affect the world and change the way that the world manifests itself in our lives. All things fade. All things face the immutable law of entropy. The only permanent thing that we have is our soul and the memories we leave behind with the souls that we interact with. Would you prefer to leave a light or a shadow? Would you welcome a light to support you or a shadow to smother your light? Why would anyone behave differently?